Okay, children, so let us begin with the next chapter, that is the treasure within. And it
Ma'am,
is
your voice is not coming.
okay, okay. So let me switch on the mic for you to listen. Now, is my voice audible, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to share the screen. है ना? So we can continue with another chapter, which is the treasure within, right? And it is based on very popular architect, Mr. Hafiz Contractor. It's a kind of interview session, and the excerpts of the same अंश है ना, बातचीत के कुछ अंश यहाँ पे लिए गए हैं. So who's the person? The interviewer is Miss Bela Raja, editor of Sparsh, and she is the editor-in-chief from Sparsh, a newsletter from the Resource Center, the Valley School, Bangalore. Earlier it was Bangalore, and the interviewee, the person who is interviewed, is Mr. Hafiz itself. Right, so Hafiz Contractor was an unhappy schoolboy. He loved doing things but detested mechanical learning. Detest. Check out the meaning of detest, everyone. Detest. Who is creating this kind of noise? I just wonder. Huh? So yeah, someone said something. To hate. All right, extreme hatred. So that's why the term detested has come. For so what was this hatred for? For it was a kind of extreme dislike for mechanical learning. Learning which was mechanical means which was not practically applicable. We are simply being taught of the things which we cannot relate with, which we cannot find. Why are we reading this? What is the utility of this? So up to a point where the child is no more interested. That was happening with Mr. Hafiz. He loved, all right, that I read. What his principal once said to him influenced him deeply. Okay, so now, yeah, Hafiz Contractor. I used to have this terrible nightmare. I think somebody from the online class should read. Sumit.
Yes, ma'am.
May I read?
Yeah, Sumit, you should play Hafiz Contractor. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
And then Miss Bela Raja. Kirti, are you there?
May
Any girl, I want this part to be played from
Ma'am, yes.
who? Khushi.
Ma'am, Khushi.
चलो आप बन जाओ बेला, ठीक है? And now begin the conversation. Use proper pauses. Begin.
Okay, ma'am. I used to have terrible nightmares. Only now, over last 4 to 5 years, it seems to have disappeared.
What nightmare are you talking about? And why do you think it has disappeared now?
I used to get continuous nightmares about appearing for a maths examination where I did not know anything. Now, the psyche must have gotten over it. I don't have to think about your education, and there is nothing about it.
Tell us something about your earliest memories in the school.
In the first and second year, I was a good student. After I reached the third standard, I simply lost interest and I never studied. I used to be interested in games, running around playing jokes and pranks on others. I would copy in class during the exam time. I would try to get hold of the examination paper that had been prepared and studied, as I could not remember things that had been taught to me in the class. However, later, one sentence spoken to me by my principal changed my life. When I approached my 11th standard, the principal called me and said, Look here, son. I have been seeing you from day one. You are a good student, but you never studied. I have taken care of you till today. Now I can no longer take care of you, so do it yourself. He talked to me for 5 minutes. You don't have your father. Your mother has worked so hard to bring you up and paid all your fees all these years, but you only have played games. Now you should rise to the occasion and study. I used to be very good sportsman. I had been the senior champion for so many years, and I also was the cricket captain. I used to play every game, but that year I did not step out onto the field. I would go for prayers, and all I would do was eat and study. I normally used to copy and pass, but I realized that once I was in SSC, I could not do that. When I got a second class 50% in my SSC, principal said, "Son, consider yourself as having got a distinction." This is my memory of my school days. I did lots of other things. See, as far as my things are concerned, I can't remember. I forgot things very easily. To remember, I have to see things in a photograph. I read a book and I can remember the matter as a photograph, but not through my mind. That is how it works.
When you were in school and you were doing badly, did the teachers pull you up and how did you feel?
I never felt anything on being pulled up. I used to be so interested in playing. I would receive a caning every week.
When you knew that you had incurred the wrath of your teacher by not doing your homework or by behaving badly, when you knew you would get a caning, what was the state of your mind?
State of mind? Just lift up the hand and they would cane you. It would hurt badly, and then I would have to forget about it because I would want to go and play.
You never felt insecure or threatened?
I was just interested in playing and nothing else. I was most interested in funny pranks. One day I did not want to study, so I created a distraction. For one whole hour, we played chore police. Every Saturday, we were allowed to go into town to see a movie. So what I would do was have no lunch and collect money from 40 to 50 students and run and buy tickets. On my way back, I would eat my heart's content. I used to be the leader of a gang. We would have a gang fights and plan strategies. These things used to interest me more than any academic. Students used to book my textbooks for the following year because they were almost brand new. I probably opened them one day before exams.
Okay, pause. So we have finished the first part. Who can summarize this up? What character about Hafiz Contractor can you make up in your mind? What kind of a student he was? What were his likings? And why did he dislike a thing? Anybody? Riddhi,
Ma'am,
Ruchi?
may I?
Nahi.
may I?
Those who are already busy in reading the text, they should not be given a chance because they were already involved. Those who are sitting idly or maybe they are not much expressive, they should take out the chance and speak up. Who will speak? Huh? Abhinav, Alok, Abhinav bhi nahi. Angel, Anushka, Anushka Singh, Anushka Tiwari, so many Anushkas. Huh? Balkrishna?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Abhinav, say.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, till now we have got to know that Mr. Hafiz Contractor was not a good student, and he was changed by the words of his principal, and and he used to receive
I think,
caning.
wait. I think, is it written anywhere in any line that he was not a good student? Is it written anywhere? Abhinav, have you noticed
No,
any line?
ma'am.
No,
है
ma'am.
ना? इससे
No,
meaning
ma'am.
change
He
हो
is a good
जाएगी.
student.
No,
He
ma'am.
was not good in studies. He was not good in academics. Can we say like
Ma'am,
this?
he is a good.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? ये ज़्यादा better रहेगा. Okay, चलो. Good student यानी कि हम उसको entirely we are just judging and passing a comment on his character, but we don't find any trace or any example like that. Yes, he is just expressing and recalling and reminiscing his old memory days, school days, what he was, what he liked to do. Yes, continue.
Caning by his teachers was they were like he never felt anything, and he was always like he want to go and play, and he never felt something like he never felt insecure.
Okay, thank you, Abhinav. So, what was the reason? Why would he never take any interest in studies? Riddhi will reply. Besides being a notorious fellow, why would he not take interest? I think Riddhi, do you know? Would you like to say? Huh? Say. Riddhi is trying to say that, ma'am, he would not take up interest in studies because he could never connect what the teachers were teaching. है ना Riddhi? Okay. So I think it is the same reason. Was the academics interesting to him? Was the academics interesting to him? Academics means what? All the subjects, all the teachings of different subjects. Then what was his interest area? In playing sports. है ना Shivansh? Nice Shivansh. So I think I should,
His interest.
yeah, his interest was basically lying in sports area. Thank you. So I will continue in my next session with this chapter, right? Till then, you
ma'am.
all people are expected to revise and read more.